Let's have a go at this exam style question. The question says, if a person has an infection, they may get a fever. Aspirin can be given to reduce the fever. Explain why a person will still have an infection even if they have taken aspirin. And that's worth 2 marks. Let's start by identifying the command word, and I can see here it's the word explain. So this question is asking us to say why a person will still have an infection even though they've taken a treatment such as aspirin. Let's underline other important information or scientific phrases in the question. And I can see the word infection, both here and here. What's an infection? What does that mean? Well, infection is when a pathogen enters the body and causes disease. We've also got aspirin here and here. What's this? Well, aspirin is a painkiller often used to reduce the symptoms of an infection. Painkillers like aspirin or paracetamol can be used to treat symptoms of infections such as headache or fever. But the key point here is that although they help reduce the symptoms, they do not kill the pathogen, so they do not attack the actual infection itself. So a person that has a fever caused by an infection and then takes an aspirin to feel better won't actually be treating the infection itself, they'll just be treating the symptoms, which in this case would be the fever. So let's have a go at putting an answer together. I'm going to write aspirin can treat the symptoms of an infection like fever. But it does not fight the infection. And so the person will still have the infection. So it's a 2-mark question, so there'd be 1 mark for saying aspirin can treat symptoms of an infection like fever, and then the 2nd mark for saying that it doesn't actually fight the infection, so the person would still have the infection.